Every year, 3,000 kids go to the Children's Hospital due to seizures. 1 in 3 children with epilepsy will not respond to current therapies. And that's the focus of some outside-the-box work at the Alberta Children's Hospital Research Institute. Tucked away in the basement of the Alberta Children's Hospital Research Institute, teensy-weensy fish. Zebrafish. Incredibly, their genome is 80% the same as ours, and that might just be the key to unlocking new treatments for epilepsy.
We've realized that they're actually a really good model of human disorders in development. And so there's been an increased interest in how we can model human diseases in fish, because we can move rapidly and we can harness the power of zebrafish genetics to create genetic models of human diseases.
So you kind of give zebrafish epilepsy?
Sure do.
Dr. Kurash is the first in Canada to successfully bioengineer the fish to mimic pediatric epilepsy. That allows her team to screen for new anti-seizure agents.
A third of all epileptic patients do not respond to medications, and this is adults and children, and this number hasn't changed over the last, 50 years.
50 years. You know, about 50 people are diagnosed with epilepsy every day, and most of them are under the age of 16. At worst, the seizures can be deadly. All are life-altering. 15-year-old Krista has had them since 19 months old.
Watching your child and not able to come out of it. She needs rescue meds. We need to call ambulance. There's nothing we can do, and knowing that it's hurting her the whole time, it's extremely frightening.
Seizures are the most common disorder of brain that brings children to the neurologist. They can be as well known as the big stiffening and shaking seizures. They can be just absent from the world and unresponsive to stimulation.
Treatment developed for adults helps about 2/3 of the children with epilepsy. This unique research could turn that around.
Who knows what therapies will come from this particular zebrafish model and just building on it, because this is really sort of a first of its kind.
Krista will be part of the human trials, putting this research to the test.
It makes us hopeful to know that there's possibly another drug that they could come up with that would help her and maybe have less side effects.
Less side effects. That will enable Krista to do more of the sport she loves.
Hurdles, cross country.
Very high hopes for neurology doctors and for thousands of children like Krista, all thanks to visionary researchers and some teensy-weensy fish.